When you know how to build PLC applications the right way in TIA Portal, everything becomes easier. If you're a PLC programmer, you're a system integrator, you're an automation engineer coming from Classic Step 7 or from Rockwell, and maybe you've got the basics of ladder logic down, but when it comes to TIA Portal, you feel stuck and you feel insecure, you're writing your code line by line, bit by bit, just trying to make it work. Friend, I've been there. That was me when I first started. You're under pressure to finish your project, you're putting in so much effort just to get the logic done in time, and what you end up with is chaos. Duplicated code in your blocks, data that's nearly impossible to cross-reference, and a PLC application that makes troubleshooting a nightmare. Here's the crucial mistake that so many of us make in this industry. We just jump straight into programming without starting with a solid modular structure, something that's scalable and something that's easy to maintain. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in my TIA Portal PLC course. In just one day, through 5 clear chapters, you'll learn how to build a professional PLC application from the ground up. A strong foundation, a modular setup that grows with more complex machines, no duplicate logic, and no endless headaches during commissioning or troubleshooting. By the end of the day, you'll go from fighting spaghetti logic to creating a fully functional, modular and scalable PLC application, even if you've never worked with TIA Portal or Siemens before. All you need is some basic PLC and ladder logic knowledge. So here's how it works. You buy the course and you get instant access to the video lectures, the sample applications, and the supporting documents. In each section of the course, I'm going to teach you one critical piece of the puzzle to create professional PLC applications in TIA Portal, and you're going to understand how a real-life application is really just a collection of smaller logical modules. You're going to understand how to translate these modules into a clean PLC program structure. You're going to understand how to create modular, self-contained functions for each of those modules, and how to build data structures that store information for each module and communicate with the other modules. Friend, I'm not going to convince you to memorize endless theory or waste time with generic textbook examples. We're not going to do any of that. I'm going to show you a better way to actually apply what you learn by building a real working PLC application. And not only that, I'll teach you how to structure applications the way professionals do so you can scale them without headaches. So you can deliver projects faster, troubleshoot with confidence, and finally feel in control of your PLC programming. At the end of this course, you will have literally created a fully functional PLC application in TIA Portal. You'll get a unique certificate of completion to prove your skills. You'll get full instructor support from me. I answer every email from my students. And it's all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you to sign up. Now, there are 2 ways to get started. I recommend the TIA Portal All Basics pack. With the All Basics packs, you don't just get the PLC course, but you also get the HMI course and the premium content. The HMI Basics course teaches you in the same modular way how to design a complete HMI application from scratch, including process visualization, alarm and recipe handling, user administration, and much more. And on top of that, the premium content gives you advanced programming blocks like a PID control loop, a VFD control block, and plenty more that you can drop straight into your own PLC projects. The All Basics pack is only $297, and it's exactly the type of training that I wish I had when I just started out. And honestly, if you're serious about growing in automation, about getting better in Siemens TIA Portal, this bundle is the smarter investment. Or you can get the PLC Programming Basics course, which is only $147, and you can master the fundamentals, you can build your first professional PLC application, and you can create a strong foundation that you can build on for the rest of your career. And here's the thing, this isn't an info dump, this isn't a dry theory class, this isn't a giant textbook pretending to be a training. This is an actual hands-on course with real results. Now, what does that mean? That means that we're going to be practical. I will give you an assignment after each section. And if you want to win in TIA Portal, if you want to take this thing serious, then you'll listen to each lecture and you'll do the assignment at the end of each section. And by the end of the course, if you're one of the people that take these things seriously, you will have built your first real professional PLC application in TIA Portal. And if nothing else, you'll leave with a rock-solid foundation and a clear plan how to make scalable, modular applications the right way. So we're going to do work, but this course will transform the way you program PLCs forever. And it will change the way you approach automation projects for the rest of your career. All the details of what we're going to cover in each chapter of this course, they are listed below, so check it out. But if you're ready to build professional PLC applications in TIA Portal, applications you're proud of, you're confident about, with a skill set that managers are actively searching for, well, then click and sign up below, either the All Basics pack or the PLC Programming Basics course. The moment you enroll, you get instant access to the video lectures, the sample applications and the resources. So don't wait, get started now, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.